wedding anniversary.
But you say her birthday. Oh, is it there?
Yeah.
You put down.
You stand here first.
Stand here first.
Stand inside the carrot. Turn off. Kapag yung ilaw, sister. Wow.
Wow.
How long the
Okay.
anniversary?
So it's about 40.
Your bouquet.
It's all about 40. More than 40 years. 44.
Golden.
44 years. So,
4 years.
yeah, so we got married.
Today.
Yeah, today actually. Yeah, and we have the wedding ceremony in the church. Yeah, and many brother and sister. Yeah, that was in the Chinese church. Yeah, not the UPC when we were young, right? So when I married her, I was 24. And she married me, she was about 16, right?
Wow.
16, so young. So young.
25. Always 25. Yeah, so I thank God. I really thank God for all these years. All right, to band us together. And it's not easy, right? Or more than 44 or 45 years, all right? And God put her into my life, and it's really a great blessing to me. Yeah, wonderful. Okay, you want to say something?
Yeah, I thank God. Yeah, to have this wonderful anniversary and surprise from my employer.
From the employer? Oh, wow.
Yeah, okay. So,
Pasilawan daw ko muna.
Huh?
Nagtangan ako.
yeah, if I have no God, I have nothing. I believe that, yeah, because I have God and He makes everything perfectly. And, yeah. That's it. I think that's all I can say.
You're not saying anything about me? Nothing?
You're in trouble. You're in trouble.
Yeah, all 44 years in trouble. Okay, yeah. Great.
Yeah.
Wait. Picture first. Picture.
Picture in first.
Okay, 1, 2.
Alright.
Wait, picture.
Huh?
Picture.
Okay.
Picture.
Okay, you sit there. You sit there in the...
Okay. Oh.
Wait.
Sit here.
1 second.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, you see across the picture.
Ito naman nagkarekay.
Baka buktaw man tayo.
that's good.
May just na.
Because my body.
Ako mat ni Sister Julia.
Cover your belly.
Yeah.
Where is Pastora? Dapat mag-stocking na.
This is the
Where's the bride? The bride.
Well, tan.
You just want to take the flower.
I take this. From my body. Oh. Yeah.
Hindi na kayo makakabayan. Bayan mo.
Wait.
Wait, there's some more.
That's good. Papa. Okay.
Wait, Pastor.
You know, more than 44 years, your body will pick.
What is the secret of being together in 4 years?
Any message nila? Happy wedding.
Happy wedding.
Happy wedding anniversary, Pastor. Congratulations!
Happy anniversary, Pastor. Happy anniversary, Pastor. Okay, that's it.
Let's eat the pudding. Everybody take a bite.
This is from all of us. For your birthday and for your
All look like Chinese.
iba-iba kasi yung ginagawa. Noon dito ginawa.
Turn around. I'm 35. Okay.
Pastor, how many wedding, your wedding anniversary, 44? How many years?
44.
How many years? Wedding anniversary?
81.
Well,
44 years? How old are you when you married, Pastor?
I don't know.
25.
So 69.
no, no, no.
68!
No, no, no.
You say 25 plus 44, so 69.
69.
Oh yes, Pastor is 69.
She will not be 69.
Okay, okay,
Younger
let's...
than me.
Oh, 56 because 16,
No.
ay, 16 plus
How
44.
many years younger than you?
Yeah, she's
Because she always says she's 16. No, no,
Okay, you can join the day.
But now,